What do you mean you found
Come
him?
here. I think I found him. Shh. Look.
What?
No!
Shut up, I'm sleeping!
What happened to the cupcakes?
Would you shut up?
What did you do?
Shut up, jerk! Leave me alone!
You ate the cupcakes!
What cupcakes?
The ones here on the bed!
The dog was up here, ate my... I don't... Just shut up!
Are you telling me you didn't eat these cupcakes?
No!
Bill, I know you ate the cupcakes.
Did you eat
didn't
the
eat
cupcakes?
the freaking cup. What cupcakes?
What's this on your face?
What are you talking
You
about?
have a freaking sprinkle on your
Shut up,
face!
jerk!
If you didn't eat them, who did? That's on your face.
The dog was up here earlier.
No.
I didn't eat him.
It wasn't the dog. It
Well-
can only be you. There's no one else that could have
I
ate them.
didn't eat him.